All right, we made it over here to Westbrook at Stoneybrook West, and Stoneybrook is in Winter Garden. It's a golf course. In fact, kind of turn you around right here and show you. There's the golf course, kind of at the edge. We have a listing going live, which will be right here, and it's obviously on the golf course. So, before anything, why don't we just spend some time taking a look at the neighborhood?
All right, here we are. We're turning off of Avalon Road and entering Westbrook community. This is a great little townhome community nestled next to the picturesque Stoneybrook West Golf Course. Straight ahead is actually the community pool, and we'll end there for our tour. But here we are. Modern living meets tranquil surroundings here in Westbrook. Situated adjacent to the stunning Stoneybrook West Golf Course, this vibrant community offers a lifestyle of convenience and relaxation. We are going to travel through this community together. We are on Priory Circle right now. We're going to loop all the way around and hit a few of these streets, checking out the neighborhood so that you can see what it is like to live in this community here. The HOA is fairly reasonable at around $310 per month, and homeowners enjoy the peace of mind knowing that all their exterior of the townhomes are taken care of, as well as the landscaping. As a matter of fact, the roofs were just recently redone last year, as well as they're going through and repainting all the exteriors right now. Of course, there's so much more to it than just that. You will find the awesome community pool, there's a playground, and of course, you're noticing quite a few green spaces all around. Doggy waste stations and many sidewalks allow you guys to walk around with your furry friends. And of course, the convenience of being so close to everything you need, from groceries to restaurants, you are literally just a stone's throw away. Behind the townhomes here on that left-hand side is actually the golf course. And then of course, let's talk about schools for just a moment as well. For one, Winter Garden has great schools. Whispering Oaks Elementary School is just a mile away. The Sunridge Middle School, just a little over 2 miles. And then the high school, it's West Orange High School, and it's only about 5 minutes away as well. Of course, we are in Central Florida, and let's face it, there are a few things that we love, like the theme parks. Universal Studios, just a quick 17-mile drive. Disney World, maybe a little bit about 13 miles away. And of course, if you want to avoid the theme parks and hit up the beaches, Cocoa Beach is just a little over an hour and a half away, while Clearwater Beach is just a little over 2 hours away. And of course, for anyone coming into town to visit, the Orlando International Airport is just a quick 30-minute drive. Of course, that always depends on our traffic here in Florida. You will just love the comfort, convenience, and community here at Westbrook. It is absolutely amazing. We would love to give you a private tour. We do have a listing going live here soon, and it would love to show you guys what this community has to offer. So we've made it around Priory Circle here. We're gonna come back up and take a turn here in just a moment. Love the extra parking on the side. This way, anyone parking on the street, they're not making the roads too narrow. I do like that. And I don't know, we just have great luck whenever we're doing our community tours. We seem to hit garbage day every single time. All right. You'll also notice the speed humps throughout the community, which is nice to keep everyone at a reasonable pace. We just turned down Campton Street. And then we're going to cross over this one, back to Priory, and then turn on to Oxley Street. This isn't a huge townhome community, as you can see, but it's definitely one worth checking out. And here we are. We're gonna take a left onto Oxley Street. Follow it on down, take another left back on Priory Circle, and we're gonna meet you guys at the community pool. We're gonna check that out as well as the playground, and just hope you enjoyed this amazing tour of another awesome winter garden community.
We are Jessica and Trevor Snyder with Coast to Coast Collective, brokered by LPT Realty. Give us a call today. We'd love to take you on your own personal tour.